In this video, I'm going to share everything you need to know about Facebook Viral Poster. The objective of this is to utilize video content with the hyper-focused information you get from them and turn them into a viral style post with viral style text and a viral style image. And then you can click a button and it will schedule that post to your Facebook page or your LinkedIn page. Let me show you how this works. First, we can use the search videos feature. Let's go ahead and say we want to search for something like AI agency. This will now show viral videos all about that specific topic. So we can watch the video and it will show in our, or we can save the video and that will go to our saved area. And then we can click the transcribe button, which will transcribe the video. We have a choice, generate hooks or turn viral. We can click on the turn viral button and it will turn into a related image. Then you have the post right here. You can click on post to Facebook and that will schedule to your Facebook page. You can also add channels. We want to add this YouTuber's channel. Grab the URL, paste that in, click on load videos, and this will load all of the videos for us that we can simply just do create post, and that will go ahead and create the post and schedule it for us. You can add multiple YouTube channels to this area and load the videos whenever they update a new video. You can also access the saved post area, click on expand and see what post has been posted, and also be able to grab the image URL as well if you just want to have that image for whatever reason. This is the Facebook Viral Post, very handy tool to have. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.